Number 2. Vantrue N4 Pro 3. If you want to experience real superhero-level protection for your car, the Vantrue N4 Pro 3 channel dash cam is the ultimate sidekick. With triple-channel recording, front, rear, and inside, you get a 4K 1080p resolution that ensures no moment goes uncaptured. Thanks to the advanced SONY STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor, this dashcam delivers cinematic quality footage day or night. Need a navigator? The built-in GPS stamps your speed and location onto every video, giving you undeniable proof of your journey. With the convenience of voice control, you can simply say, "Take photo," or "Turn off screen," without lifting a finger from the wheel. And let's talk safety. When a collision happens, the 3-axis G sensor instantly locks critical footage, so you never lose a second of valuable evidence. Moreover, with 4 parking modes, including time-lapse and 24/7 motion detection, you can trust that your precious vehicle is always protected. Whether it's a minor bump or a major incident, your N4 Pro has got your back. With features like a 360-degree rotatable rear camera, optional anti-glare CPL, and reliable dual capacitors, this dashcam is built for durability in extreme temperatures. And installation? Piece of cake. With an 18-month warranty and support team always ready to help, you can hit the road with peace of mind, knowing your car is in good hands.